Hello everyone. I am 9 years old. My name is Arjun. I am from India and it's the first time I am participating in the GMTK Game Jam. I have downloaded Unity in 2020 last year and I love creating games, and since then I have been exploring, creating many games. This is the first game that I have completed from the beginning to end. I want to show you guys the idea for the game and the gameplay. The team is joined together. So basically, in the game, there are two players. Only one can collect the fruits, and the other one can collect the cup. So there will be an invisible cup in the level, and when you collect all of the fruits using one player, and then the cup will be visible, and the other player will go get the cup, and then you can finish the level. So you have to use the two players. You can't just use one player. So this is basically teamwork. So the two players join together and then they do teamwork and they finish the level very quickly. So let's go ahead and play this game. So the game name is Puzzle Platformer. It's very puzzle also. You have to think what you have to do first and then you have to execute it, because sometimes when you're moving, the other player can mess it up. Because both of the players are connected with, you can move them with the arrow keys, so you can move both players with the same keys. So let's go ahead and play Puzzle Platformer, and now let's flip. So blue player is collect the coins, and then we go up here, and I can't collect the trophy, only the green player will be able to collect the trophy. So you can do that also. You can go win the green player like this, and then you collect the trophy. And then with the blue player, once you collect all of the fruits, the trophy appears, and then you can go collect it. And this is the next level. So you go collect this, and first I'm gonna collect this one, just hidden, nice and hidden. And only the blue one can climb the ladder, so the green one cannot climb the ladder. So what I have to do is, I have to go collect the fruit, collect these two fruits. And I just cut the log right there. I can push it in the hole also if I want. What I have to do now is I have to bring the green player up, because only the green player can collect the trophies. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Yeah, bring my blue player there, and I have to jump like this. So jumping is very tricky. Sometimes I'm getting, yeah, and I got it. And I did the flip, and we're gonna go to the next level. And this is the next level. And I have to actually free the green player at first. And of course I can't collect the trophy. I need to free the green player for that. And here comes the log. So when I go push this log at the green player's brick wall, that it will open and I can collect the cups now. And then what I have to do is collect this last fruit. Yeah, there it is. And then collect these. And also I can push this log out. I can go collect this fruit. And at the last I need to collect this trophy. So I'll go collect that trophy. I'll just do like that. And I can go down. Oh, I missed that fruit. I need to go collect that fruit again. I can go up like this. I can go up and I need to collect the last fruit with the blue player. Yes. Now I can collect the trophy. Now this is the last level. Now before this level, the green player was captured. Now the blue player is not free. So I have to go. I have to go free it. So I have to push this log onto the brick. The brick which is holding the blue player. Okay, I freed it. I freed the blue player. Yes, let's collect all of the coins, like the fruits. And then we go like this. And then we collect this trophy. Now we're gonna bounce on the trampoline. Woohoo! And then we enter the last, and then the green guy collects it, and then we win the game. So there's only 4 levels, and in all of the 4 levels we teamwork, and that's how we win the game.